In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can sum positive and negative numbers with the using of sine function. So let's start. Here you can see some sales data and some negative data, which means they are refunded. So we need to just find out which is negative and which is positive. So let's do with sine function. For this we are using sine function here. Equal, then write sine. You can see that, then select your number, close the bracket, then enter. Here, though this is a positive number, that's why this sign is 1. If we drag it to last, then we can see that if the negative number appears, then it will be -1. So let's use this. Now we are going to calculate total sales. If the sign is positive, then it will be sum, and if the sign is negative, it will be sum for refund. So first of all, we are going to sum for sales. So we are writing equal, then write sum. If you can see that sum is function, then enter tab, and the range. What is the range? This is our range, and then put a comma. Then we are going to criteria. Which is the criteria? If we find 1, then it will be sum. So we are using 1. Then put a comma again, and then the sum range. And which is the sum range? And sales is our sum range. Then close the bracket. Here you can see that all the positive number has been added. And just go to the refund function. Just enter equal, then write again sum if. Then the range is this, and then close the, put a comma, then which is our criteria. This time the criteria is -1 because this is refunded. So again put a comma, then which is the sum range, and the sum range is this, and then close the bracket, then enter. Now you can see that those negative numbers have been added. This is how you can easily sum positive and negative numbers using sine function. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.